There have been several initiatives over the last several years where we continue to try and look for efficiencies. And some of those initiatives have included whenever it's possible, instead of driving the school bus across the county to get minor repairs, we put the mechanic in a pickup truck and equip that pickup truck with some contact items and send the truck to where the buses are. And we're doing that certainly down at Montgomery Central and then up in the northern part of the county. And that's just an efficiency we're able to gain. The newer buses are controlled electronically, and so we can just simply by attaching a laptop to the school bus, we can program the bus, and two specific programming. One is the idle time. We have a pretty aggressive anti-idling policy in the district because of the air quality issues when children are in and around diesel soot. It's not a good thing, and so we're seeing some savings there. And then finally, the electronics allows us to control the maximum speed of the school bus, and by using cruise control, which is a much more efficient way for that engine to run up and down the road, we've programmed the vehicle so if the driver is controlling the speed of the vehicle with the accelerator pedal, the fastest the vehicle will go is 65 miles an hour. But if the driver engages the cruise control, they can run it up to 68 miles an hour, so they're going to be able to travel a little faster. It'll be more efficient for the bus. And so all of those initiatives are in place, and we're seeing good savings on the cost of diesel fuel, which every year is a $1.6 million investment to provide transportation in Montgomery County.
There's a direct relationship between miles traveled and fuel consumed, and that fuel consumed has a cost. So as we can minimize the miles traveled, we save money on our fuel budget. One of the things that we as a facilities department has done is we developed at the West Creek campus a bus, what we're calling it the West Creek Operations Complex. It's a bus parking, a bus fueling, or a vehicle fueling, and a bus maintenance facility at West Creek. The buses that serve the West Creek schools, the Northeast schools, and some of the Kenwood schools, those buses routinely drive to Liberty for service, for washing, for fuel. If we can keep those buses from making that trip where they can fuel, do services, and literally park the buses at West Creek, we've minimized the miles traveled, thus minimized the cost of fuel.